welcome back to the channel. So we're going to the Status 7 meet. It's at TASTEA, but we actually rolled up with a few other Mazdas. There was about 8 of them, so hopefully we can find parking over there and then enjoy the meet. We got the whole line of Mazdas. Got about 6 or 7, and then mine's at the far end. Hey, check it out, the dad car made it. Our Mazda family is growing stronger by the day. Looking good as always. Got Jonathan over here too. He's matching my car. Here's another one of our fellow Mazdas that is trying to park with us. It's clean. Wow. Is this a first or second gen CX-9?
I don't know enough about CX-9.
Oh, okay, I see you. He had to flex with the air, bro. Gotta check the engine bay of this, bro. Oh shoot, sorry. V6, okay. I guess the first or second gen CX-9 has a V6. Got a little strut tower. I think that's, I'm not sure what that is. It looks like ultra racing, but in-gen cold air intake. And he's also bagged. It's pretty cool. Then we got the dad car, and they moved next to me, so. Yo, this is so beautiful. Where are you going? Don't go to Arby's, that place sucks. Come back. Let's get a better look at this beauty. BBS wheels, nice fitment. Carbon fiber wing. Oh my god, he's stunting on us, boy. Woo! I believe this is Senpai S2K. We follow each other on IG. Got the M4, M3, and then another M4. All really clean. Got this newly purchased Huracan.
Gonna get the car impounded, and none of us want that, okay? Let's have a fun night, a safe night, and let's just get turned. So, hey.
Alright, so you heard the man. Can't do pools or you're getting your car impounded. Okay. Alright. Got this Tesla lineup. All of them seem to have underglow and bright headlights. Pretty cool. See this M6 with half of its body missing? It's my homie David's. We're gonna have a build video on it soon. It's got a half babe wrap on his M6 and he's bagged. Look at that fitment. BQ boys. Okay. Got a Miata. 370 wide body. Looks pretty clean. Nothing that we haven't seen before, but still. Took over the Lowe's parking lot as well. Yo, this RX-7, oof. Got Koenigs on them. Nice. Okay, that's another RX-7. Got a little MR2 on some Volks. Nice. Alright, I see you. This clean, bro. This clean. Got this thing, man. This S2K is pretty clean. It's a little bit more unique than the ones that were already here. Got a little Voltex wing, roll bar, not bad. ND Miata right here, bro. Wide body. I really want a G35 coupe, so this isn't helping that. I see you. I don't know, I can't tell, it's really dark, but is that manual? This Z is really nice, this one right here. I like that, pulled up with a Supra. Okay. Got an 8th gen with a conversion.
It's not bad.
And then you got 2 fits. I think this is that Taro fit, but oh yep, there's his license plate. This is clean. I feel it. Alright, this guy's gonna get us shut down for sure. Function Kings, bro. Got VQ right here. Bro, look at this track build. Ooh, fully gutted and everything. Sparko seats. Got a clean NA Miata. You know they gotta get that signature pop-up headlight. Calvin's checking it out right now. Bro, this guy has an iPad displaying pics of his own car in the trunk. That's crazy, bro. He has a clean build too. Yo, this is a really clean E92, man.
Yeah, this thing was like all the way out too. I was like, shit.
Got this dude moving. Yo, this is really clean, man. Also, look at that license plate. Tesla on Advance. Nice choice, boy. Damn, that's a weird looking Mazda right here. Hold on, what the hell? That's not how you spell Mazda. Alright, excuse the dirty window, but we're leaving the meet now. Shout out to Team Status 7 for hosting the meet. There was a lot of good cars out here, and can't wait for the next one. See you guys in the next upload.